Bakbakang General Cuadro Alas Casimero kontra sa All the Beast Sanchez ay ang laban na talagang inaabangan ng mga Filipino boxing fanatics. Mas inaabangan pa ito kisa sa laban ni Dimitri Bivol kontra Artur Beterbiev na para sa undisputed light heavyweight title. Kung titignan ang odds sa talpakan ay pantay lang ang dalawa, ibig sabihin ay talagang dikdikan ang magiging laban na gagawin na bukas sa Land of the Rising Sun sa bansang Japan. Aktibong boksingero itong si Saul Sanchez, 2 beses lumaban ngayong taon, habang 1 taong bakante o walang laban itong si General Cuadro Alas Casimero. Kaya dahil dito, marami ang naniniwala na malaki ang tsansa ni Saul Sanchez na makasilat ng panalo kontra sa ating pambato na dating 3 Division World Champion Cuadro Alas Casimero. Pero buo ang loob ng kampo ni Angas ng Pinas na magiging easy fight lang umano itong si Sanchez. Tulog daw ang aabutin nito kung matamaan ng 100% lakas ni Cuadro Alas. May mga nagsasabi din na dahil sa matagal nagpahinga o walang laban itong si Casimero ay hihingalin lang daw ito sa laban at matutulad lang daw ito sa mga Pinoy na lumaban sa Japan na gagapang. Ano ang masasabi mo dito? Sa mga di nakakaalam, sa buong karera ni General Casimero ay 3 beses na din siyang nabilangan, 3 beses na tawagan ng knockdown sa bakbakan. Una ay noong nakalaban niya ang walang kasing tuso at sobrang madayang boksingero, ang undefeated champion na si Amnat Runrueng. Sa laban ay 2 beses na knockdown si Casimero. Natalo pa siya dito via unanimous decision, pero mas malupit ang ganti ni Cuadro Alas sa rematch. Itong madayang kalaban ay binugbog lang ni Casimero, humagulgol pa sa iyak ang anak nito matapos matalo. Sa laban naman niya kontra Rayo Akaho ay dito nalasap ni Casimero ang bumagsak sa pangatlong pagkakataon. Pero bumawi pa din si Casimero dito at tinapos ang hapon via 2nd round knockout. Kaya bago ang bakbakang Casimero at Sanchez ay balikan muna natin ang 2 boksingero na nagpabagsak kay Cuadro Alas Casimero. June 2015 dumayo si Cuadro Alas sa bansang Thailand para kunin sana ang IBF na titulo. Kontra niya dito ang undefeated champion Thai boxer Amnat Runrueng. Isang madayang kalaban, ilang beses ni wrestling at binalibag si kabayan sa bakbakan.
ครั้งที่ 4 ส่วนผู้ท้าชิงครับเป็นอดีตแชมป์โลก108 ปอนด์นะครับ IBF แล้วก็เป็นแชมป์โลกเฉพาะการด้วยครับ108 ปอนด์ขององค์กรมวยโลกเริ่มขึ้นมามันต้นอันตรายมากครับเขาจะต่อยอย่างสุดแรงเกิดนะครับสไตล์ของคาซิเมโร่ผู้ท้าชิงรายนี้สมัครเล่นมาผสมผสานกันครับได้หนักแบบนี้ครับแล้วก็แพ้ที่เม็กซิโกชิงคนนี้ 57% นะครับแล้ว1 ครั้งแต่ว่าดูครับต้องระวังด้วยจังหวะเข้าเริ่มจะรักษากันอยู่นะครับนี่ลงซ้ายเลยครับเขาเริ่มจะเข้าข้างนะครับเสียหลักครับโดนซ้ายเขาจะมาแบบเต็มๆเลยมาแบบพุ่งสุดตัวโอ้โหแล้วมีตอดครับฟุตเวิร์กดึงแล้วคืนแล้วพลิกไม่รู้ว่าโดนกรรมการเตือนหรือเปล่านะครับใครโดนก็โดนซ้ายก็ใช้แรงเหวี่ยงครับเกมกันให้ละเอียดเลยครับนี่แล้วโดนซ้ายเหมือนกันครับไม่ได้ต่อยครับอำนาจเข้าไปล็อกไว้ก่อนล็อกไว้เลยดูครับออกไปเดินล็อกดื้อๆเลยครับเหมือนโอ้โหล็อกต่อยครับกลับไปถึงเขาครับตอดลำตัวโอ้โหใช้เหลี่ยมนี่ตอดดีนะหักเข้าเชือกเลยครับตัวแล้วเขาชะงักแล้วเขาจะดึงให้เราเข้าหาบ้างขวายิงซ้ายเวียงกรรมการนับครับเขาพยายามจะเข้าไปโดนดันเลยครับซ้ายแม่นแล้วก็ถวนเข้าไปครับทั้งคู่ล็อกแล้วต้องปล่อยจังหวะปล่อยพลิกกลับไปแล้วน้ำหนักตัวทับตัวอยู่ครับเขาพยายามจะเสียทุกลูกไปเลยครับเข้าไปล้มลุกคลุกคลานแล้วครับมีศีรษะเอาคืนบ้างครับแม่พี่อายุตั้ง36แล้วน้องแค่25 นั่งลงไปเลยครับแต่เคลียร์กรรมการครับให้กรรมการไปไกลๆครับเอาพาเข้าเชือกแม่ดูครับลูกพานี่เก่งเหลือเกินครับอำนาจแต่นั่งแล้วโอ้โหสุดท้ายนี่ครับ
At nagawa ngang manalo ng Thai boxer dito, pero sa kanilang rematch na ginawa sa sumunod na taon 2016, dito na bumawi si Cuadro Alas. Lamog ang inabot ng madayang kalaban at dito nakuha ni Casimero ang titulo. Hinirang na 2 Division World Champion si Cuadro Alas.
On his mind and push out his lands in order to do a clinch and to avoid his opponent from getting any forward momentum with their shots. As he does on excellent skills in both of those fights with working off the jab and keeping his opponent at distance.
Absolutely, man. He's looking all right, boy. Camaro's, he's landing the right hand. Here comes the wrestling. And he's down on the floor again. This is what we're talking about here.
Yeah, he's done Muay Thai kickboxing in the past, so probably a little bit of that is in his repertoire.
I tell you what, he's probably frustrated Casimero from the last fight. Another good. This fight here looks quite clean. And that Romang, who's he fought apart from that Romang on his record, on his resume?
CASIMERO. And of course he lost that first fight.
Well,
but he's doing real good here.
Yeah, absolutely. But I tell you what, and that Romang's trying to prove anything, which is not really customized as him. Look at that, headlocks in there. He's trying to time him. Look at it, there you go. He's trying to time him with that.
Ooh.
And he throws him down to the ring, underneath the bottom of the ring. And that Romang trying to defend.
Ducking under. Good
there you
overhand
go.
rights from on that. Oh, and he body.
See, you know what that's called? That's called a rock bottom. That's where he fights loose. Oh no!
Big left hook from CASIMERO.
And he caught him.
Goes down.
And he looks hurt. Oh, he looks really hurt. And he's got.
He still looks hurt.
Read the action now. Read it up. And he's going in for the kill.
Oh man.
I told him
he's going in hard right now. I'm not throwing hard back.
He caught another right.
Oh, big right hand.
And the fight has changed, and he's trying for the biggest and the big 10-8. And look, he's trying to time. And that room, it looks like
Trying to survive.
I tell you what, man. And he's after him. And the Filipinos hold on, and he won't be denied. And a good body shot. He's down again.
To the body.
Whoa! And the champion is down.
Up out of his seat.
And he don't look like he's gonna get up. Is he gonna get up? Now the fight's been waved off by Tony Reeks. And we have a new IBF flyweight champion of the world. Upsets in the flyweight division. Now to call the action and tell me what you saw.
Yeah, man, this is the biggest upset I've seen since Sonny Boy Haro defeated Pongsaklip Wanyangkam a few. Right to his liver. You see Casimero showing out after he drops him, showing that bad blood between them, and he's happy.
And look how he's smiling. I think Jimmy Leon Nunes is probably gonna do. Look at his son's crying. His son's really upset, isn't it? Oh dear, now to look at that. Oh dear.
2022 naman, muling bumagsak si Alas nang makalaban niya ang Hapon na si Ryo Akaho. Pero malupit ang naging bawi na ginawa ni Casimero. Tinapos ang kalabang Hapon via second round knockout.